Hello friends, in this video we will guide you on how to configure data usage limit on Windows 11. It is quite simple. What you have to do is right click on the start button and select settings here to open the Windows settings. Then click on network and internet. After that scroll down to the right side and to the bottom and click on the advanced network settings. Here under more settings click on data usage. Then click on enter limit button. Here you can see you can limit by monthly, one time, unlimited. You can limit by monthly, one time and unlimited. So suppose you want to limit your bandwidth for a month, so your Windows cannot use after that limit your bandwidth, and you will get a warning before that approaches. Suppose you have limit of 2 GB of data approx after 90% of uses, it will send you a warning message so that you can know that your data is going to be finished. So click on here or whatever option you need and then select here monthly reset date, when your data will be resetted automatically. Suppose you want to reset on 1st of every month, then select 1. Then here you need to type, you can type in MB or you can also in GB. Suppose you have only 2 GB of bandwidth limit, so here type 2 and select unit as GB and then click on the save button. Before your Windows totally uses your data, it will give a warning so you can know that your data is going to exhaust in a few days. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye bye.